To transfer Solana from Revolut to Phantom Wallet, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have the Revolut and Phantom Wallet apps installed on your device. Open the Revolut app and navigate to the cryptocurrency section, where you should see your Solana balance. Next, tap on the Solana option and select the transfer option. You will be prompted to enter the recipient address, which is the public address of your Phantom Wallet. To find this address, open the Phantom Wallet app and tap on the Solana account. Your public address will be displayed, and you can copy it by tapping on the copy icon. Go back to the Revolut app and paste the address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Solana you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. You will be asked to review the transaction details, including the amount and the recipient address. Make sure everything is correct before confirming. Once you confirm, the transaction will be processed, and the Solana will be transferred to your Phantom Wallet. It is essential to note that transferring cryptocurrency can take some time, and you may need to wait a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed. You can check the status of the transaction in the Phantom Wallet app. Additionally, be aware that transferring cryptocurrency may incur fees, so make sure you understand the fees associated with the transaction before confirming. It is also crucial to keep your Phantom Wallet and Revolut accounts secure by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer Solana from Revolut to Phantom Wallet. Always double-check the recipient address and transaction details to ensure a smooth and secure transfer.